Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Zen browser high CPU usage issues in 2026. If Zen browser is using too much processor power, making your computer slow, or causing your system fans to run constantly, this guide will help you solve the problem step by step. First, restart Zen browser and close unnecessary tabs. Having dozens of active tabs can significantly increase CPU usage. Next, open the browser's Task Manager or Performance tools, if available, and identify tabs or processes consuming excessive resources. Now disable unnecessary extensions. Poorly optimized extensions are one of the most common causes of high CPU usage. Next, clear your browser cache and temporary browsing data to remove corrupted files that may affect performance. Now make sure Zen browser is updated to the latest version. Updates often include performance improvements and bug fixes. If the issue continues, close resource-intensive websites such as video streams, online games, or complex web applications. Next, disable hardware-intensive features or experimental browser settings that may be increasing processor usage. Now close unnecessary applications running in the background to free up system resources. Next, restart your computer to clear temporary processes and refresh system performance. Finally, if CPU usage remains unusually high, create a new browser profile or reinstall Zen browser to eliminate corrupted settings. And that's it. You've successfully fixed Zen browser high CPU usage issues. Your browser should now run more efficiently and place less strain on your computer. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.